Let's talk about what value a buyer's agent brings to you when purchasing a home. Typically in a real estate transaction, there's two parties: the listing agent, who represents the seller in the transaction, and then there's the buyer's agent, who's representing the person purchasing the property. Most people only buy 1 to 3 houses during their lifetime, so it's really important to have someone experienced representing you and helping you through the entire process. When working with a new client, I always want to focus on educating them on the entire home buying process and the current market trends. This baseline knowledge will help you to make the best decision possible on such a large investment. After discussing your real estate goals, we'll start looking for a property that will best suit your needs. Once that property is identified, that's when the real work begins. A buyer's agent not only helps you find the right property, but helps you throughout the entire process of writing contracts, advising you on the price, negotiating repairs, and eventually getting your deal to close. My goal as a buyer's agent is to help you find the home of your dreams with as little stress as possible. If you're interested in buying a house, give me a call today. Love to help you out.